Mom got the trains going through. Go, go, go. Come on. Turn, turn, turn. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Go, go, go. Here goes the train. That's sick. Thank you, Mom. Go, 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 go. Just go. Turn, turn, turn. Is it okay if you're in a video?
Yep.
Like literally, like you're a part of the video?
Yeah.
I was sick, guys. I was just going to the school. Well, not for school, to get my siblings. But there goes the train. I was listening to the music, and all I hear is, I was like, what the heck? And then the train. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and say thank you to my mom for driving us. Bye.